My name is Dr. James Nixon, and my role is to lead the hardware innovation team. That's the overseeing of all our products from creation to delivery. Hardware, from BMT's point of view, is the tools and devices that we use to gather the information needed to create our models and understand what is going on in the actual world. We have a front-end necessity to gather the information and understand how the material, how the preform, how the bottle behaves. And then we can use that information to feed our material characterisation team and our simulation team. At the back end of the process then we can physically create a bottle with rapid prototyping to validate those results. The point about these tools is that they're completely bespoke for what we need. The blow scan, for example, will just make bottles. It'll tell you everything you need to know about where to go with the material, where to go with the process. Other devices like the thermoscan, but very specific to preform temperature. There's a lot of recycled plastic that's coming back into the stream, not to mention development of bio-based polymers. So in order to improve that sustainability, customers and ourselves need to understand how the material is behaving. So if we don't know, then we will waste time, waste money. The more we can develop it on blow scan and the more insight we get, then the faster we can get to market with our new products.